With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question is, an automobile engine propels a 1000 kg car A along a leveled road at a speed of 36 km per hour. Find the power if the opposing frictional force is 100 Newton. Now suppose after traveling a distance of 200 meter, this car collides with another stationary car B of same mass and comes to rest. Let its engine also stop at the same time. Now car B starts moving on the same level road without getting its engine started. Find the speed of the car B just after the collision. Let us write what we've got here. We have car A. This is moving towards car B. After this car B is stationary right now. Stationary or at rest. At rest. Then what happened? This car A collided with car B. After collision, what happened? After collision, this car A stopped. Car A stopped. The engine stopped. But it pushed car B. Now car B started moving. Right? This is in motion now. And we need to find out the speed of this car B after collision. So we know in this collision, this is an inelastic collision. What will happen? We can apply conservation of momentum of momentum of momentum, right? What is that? That is the momentum, the total momentum before collision will be equal to the total momentum after collision, right? And we have the formula for this, that is m a v a plus m b u b, this is also u, initial velocity of both, is equal to m a v a, that is after collision, so final velocity, plus m b v b, right? This we have, this we can use, so let us use this. M a is equal to mb, this is given to us as 1000 kg, right? This is 1000 kg. This ma is a mass of car A, mb is the mass of car B, right? Now we also have f is equal to 100 Newton, and we also have speed of car, that was car A. This was given to us as 36 km per hour. We know we have to convert it to meter per second now. To convert it to meter per second, we will multiply it. UA is equal to, we will multiply it by 5 by 18, right? 5 by 18. This will give me 10 meter per second. So I also have the initial velocity of UA, that is initial velocity of car A, that is the speed of the car A, right? Now I need to find the power of car A. P is equal to F into V, right? Force into speed or velocity. So this is 100, the frictional force, into V. It is moving at 10 meter per second, so this will be equal to 1000 watt, right? Now secondly, I had to find out speed of car B after collision. So let me use the conservation of momentum now. For that, I have all the values like ma, that is equal to mb, this is 1000 kg. Then I also have ua, that is initial velocity of car A, that is 10 meter per second. Then I also have, I know it came to rest after that, so that means velocity, final velocity of car A will be equal to 0 because it came at rest. Now initial velocity of car B, it was already at rest, so 0 meter per second, and now I need to find this, right? So now let us put all the values here. MAUA, that is 1000 into UA is 10 plus MBUB, so 1000 into 0 is equal to MBUB, so 1000 into UB is 0 plus 1000 into VB that we are finding. This will give me 10,000 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus VB into 1000. This will give me VB is equal to 10 meter per second, right? Hope you understood this.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.